Tiene la culpa. Amor de compra y venta, amor del pasado. Ven, 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 ven.
So I was just wondering if you'd be interested in a foursome.
Rapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilos, snub nose with potato, straight out the jungle.
Alright, bad day here, Ken White. We're on the side of the road. Drive shaft fell out of the truck, hit a car. You can see multicolors all the way here. My heart's pounding. I'm so thankful that everyone is 100% okay, and the only thing that is hurt is parts. Parts can be replaced, people can't. Dang. Yeah, we're waiting for OPP, which is our highway police, to show up, and Mike and them look like they have something in hand. They look like they have the piece that fell off the truck. That is a drive shaft, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Just got safety last week and just picked it up from the shop this morning for repair work due to a rear seal, which was under warranty.
Another piece of it in the middle of the highway back there.
No way. That is fucked. Holy shit, we're lucky no one got hurt. Okay, I'm on the side of the road now, waiting. There's OPP all behind us. So I just got told, hey, it's not going to the place that just fixed the truck, because now they're gonna have to get a truck to come out and pump the diesel tank that's leaking and then do a cleanup. And the tow truck driver was like, last time something like this happened, it was about $24,000. So we're going to go through insurance, and nobody's at fault other than the company that possibly did the work on it. I'll put up pictures showing that where they just fixed a rear seal is where it let go and broke. And yeah, shit happens, but happy Monday. All right, alignment was out a little bit on the truck, ready to rock. Let's go to site.
Crikey, we got a live 350. I've never seen one in live before. Look at it move. Let's see if we can get up closer for a closer look. Let's see if we can get up behind it while it's moving and slap it in the rear end. Oh, he's moving. We don't want to die. All right, let's go in for the tap. Run!
Another 2 inches. Mike knows exactly what 2 inches looks like. Boom, now we go to next job site. We go from commercial to residential. Residential, commercial, commercial, residential. Commercial TV show commercial, no commercial. Timberland Pro Ambassador for the next year, baby.
Recipes low key. Fuck a pigeonhole, I'm a night owl, it's a different mode. I'ma have to make a paint of 6 on a pinky toe. Heard you with a shooting guard, just let a nigga know. I would have you courtside, not the middle row.
So we're here at a new house dig that we're just starting. So there's a brand new house going here. In the winter when there was snow on the ground, we came here and we decommissioned the septic tank over at that cottage. We will put in a B-roll right here, right, Louis? Well, fuck. And then we got to rip down all these trees that are marked with X's, and then all the pickets are marking out where the house is going. There's a pool, there's a garage. It's gonna be a beautiful house when we're done. But for now, we got to clear the area of all trees, and then we can start digging down to underside of footing.
Whole sound suave, but I can't get recalled. Bro, think he John Wayne. I bought them Yellowstones, love the way they hang, babe. For the silicone, everybody fake now. You could crack the code, bust down everything. Set in rows, go tread, talking to you.
325 behind me. From here, go over, see our 750 dozer that's showing up today. Yes, it's a deer. And then probably in this video, the reason you clicked on it is we got our new addition showing up tomorrow, which is fucking super exciting. Sight unseen, literally. I didn't even talk to the guy who sold it to me. I didn't even talk to him in person. Literally just all over text. The thing was like 7 hours away. Said, perfect, sounds great, send it. It's a big week, a lot of big machinery coming. Nice big job site here. We're gonna go strip some roads at the airport with the new machine. It's gonna be fucking awesome. Awesome.
I thought the road was like 6 this morning. I was like, oh.
Fucking right, you made up for it.
Hosting a charity golf tournament on May 26th. So that's just next Friday. So I was just wondering if you'd be interested in a foursome.
Just a little too short notice for me to plan for a foursome. Even though like I would love to do a foursome, that'd be great. But it's like yeah, like I love doing foursomes, but I just can't see it working next Friday.
Yeah, fair enough. It's very short notice. Well, then we have our other ones, so I'll just give you a ring.
Okay, sounds good. I look forward to the foursome then.
Sounds perfect, Taylor.
Bye.
Thank you for your time.
What? I like foursomes. He asked me, he's like, would you be interested in a foursome? I don't know. Sure, like, who's all involved? Poor guy. Fuck it. He'll be fine.
Look at the size of that fucking thing. Look at that.
Holy fuck, this thing's big. She was stuck. There's a little bit of a size difference.
Just a little bit.
This is you. This is you. And this is the guy that your girlfriend tells you not to worry about. Size doesn't matter. Okay, maybe it does. Okay, so what's the plan here?
So we want to push some dirt.
Yeah.
We're going to start from here, push as much as we can this way, and shape it. And we're going to use this little kind of square we have.
God's country. I saw a light in the sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shot with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a pin-down Dixie whistle in the wind that'll get you heading down. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country.
Job's done here. Okay? If you need anything from me, I'll be in my office getting caught up on paperwork. Zach, we gotta have a meeting.
I'll be there too. It's fucking cold today, dude. What up? Another big day, fucking Ken White, baby. Yesterday we had a John Deere 750K. John Deere, but meh, we liked it. Today, Cat 336 excavator showing up, baby. I got a call from the float guy. We call floats things that you transport shovels on here in Canada. For all you idiots. Yeah, the battery was dead this morning on it. So I know that it has a cracked window and the battery's dead. And that's the people we bought it from. We've actually bought it from a Komatsu dealer, which is funny enough. They're gonna replace both those things for us. They called and they're like, hey, window, we'll fix it. Get a new one. Batteries, we'll put new batteries in it, don't worry. So it's currently running on the float that it's on. The driver called me this morning, he's like, yeah, g'day, I'll leave her running for you there, bud. And I'm like, g'day, fucking right. So yeah, man, we're gonna go meet him out there. Woo! It's gonna be fucking good.
Cigarettes in tiny liquor bottles, just what you expect.
That's what happens when you work harder, baby. And your dad's rich.
Inside her new Balenciaga viral romance, turned dreams into an empire, self-made success. Now she rolls with Rockefeller.
It's not that tight, eh?
You can tighten it.
Nice.
Her new Balenciaga viral romance, turned dreams into an empire, self-made success. Now she rolls with Rockefellers. Cigarettes in tiny liquor bottles, just what you expect. Inside her new Balenciaga viral romance, turned dreams into an empire, self-made success. Now she rolls with Rockefellers.
What's up, you fucking grease monkey?
Rocking the new mechanic shirt, doing some mechanic stuff with Mike. Been at this all of, 45 seconds. Not sponsored by WD-40. Fuck WD-40. Fuck WD-40. Do the backflips. How's it look with a little bit of dirt on it? People are gonna be like, that was staged. KWC mechanic shirts, this out of everything,
Work hard. You know what? I can't say that. Everything's my favorite, but we rarely do t-shirts. These t-shirts are sick. This is a true patch. Come Construction, established 1968. That's the year we started. Grandfather started it. Distress logo on the back makes it look like you're already working, so you don't actually have to work. Everything is live and everything will be open for 10 days, okay? So you have from tonight, today's Friday, the 19th, to the 29th of May. Are there 28 days or 30 days in May? How many? It's 31. So May 29th, you'll have until to buy everything. So you have 2 weekends in case you get your paycheck this week or the next week. Sometimes people are like, I got paid every 2 weeks, Taylor. And I'm like, well, boom, 10 days. Then we'll never sell them ever again. Get them while they last. And they make you tough. Did you see what I just did there? Pretty fucking tough. That's a wrap on this week's video. Lots of big iron in this and super pumped that we got the 336. Sight unseen, bought it, shipped it all the way from London, brought it here. Thank you, Ackman, for the 750K. The boys are actually using it out on site as well today too. Some other stuff in this video as well, but the main thing is that 336 that is going to be super handy, straight production machine. Yes, it's going black. Yes, it's going to look like every other shovel that we have. Number 4, super happy. Thanks for watching the video. Catch you guys on the next one. Take care.
How was your day, Daniel?
I hated it because I was working with you.
But of course I didn't forget to you guys, the True Patriots channel that watched the entire video to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those True Patriots, I want you guys to comment down below big iron. Why are you commenting down below big iron? Well, this video basically surrounded by big iron, dozers, excavators. What will we do next? So if you watch the entire video to the very end, comment down below big iron. I appreciate you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Want to see everybody rocking that merch? Take care.